morning, my dear friends. This is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi, and I'm speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyaranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Today is 11th December, so let's know the importance and significance of 11th December. Today is the International Mountains Day, which is a very important day, and at the same time, today is also the UNICEF birthday. So let's understand UNICEF birthday first. On this day only, UNICEF was born. UNICEF means United Nations Children Emergency Fund. That was the name. That is why the acronym. Now the name has been made smaller. United Nations Children's Fund, because it comes to the same. So for the welfare of children, a fund was created all over the world, in every country, almost every country. This UNICEF is working to ensure the health of children. So this is whatever is required for the children, it is done. So this is a day to really observe, and let's promote the cause of UNICEF, and let's cooperate with UNICEF so that the children who are in need must be protected and must be supported by the UNICEF and allied organizations. Today is also the International Mountain Day. You know the importance of mountain. Mountain is very important of our life. If there is no mountain, there will be many, many problems. So for rain also, for our natural environment also, mountain is very important. We should not destroy mountains. We should not keep all those filthy things on the mountain. People go there and leave many, many garbage there, which is not good. So mountain development is important. At the same time, those who are in the catchment area of mountains must also be helped. So International Mountain Day also involves the protection of mountains, also the people who are living in the catchment area of mountains. That is why we have established the Himalayan Region Empowerment Agency for Development. In short, it's called THREAD, where we are trying to ensure that all the mountainous states of India, right from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh to Uttarakhand to Himachal Pradesh, and also the 8 sisters like Assam or Meghalaya or Sikkim, or for that matter Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, all those states are developed because they are all Himalayan range. So this is very important, and that way we observe this 11th of December. Tomorrow we'll discuss about 12th December. Till then, I thank you for your time, and may peace prevail on Mother Earth.